One of them has it? Okay.
Yeah, Abby's got it.
Okay, this is Abby and Kai, and they've been playing games with this tiny twig. Abby, do you have the twig? Abby, do you have the twig? Yes, she does. Okay. And they've been playing tug-of-war with this tiny twig. Okay, I think that Kai has it. Kai has it. Kai has the tiny twig. Kai, do you have that twig? Okay. Boy, Blaze is sure going off. Who's got the twig? Ah, I think I feel it by my foot. Do you have the twig? What are you doing down there? Come here. Thing. Okay.